Welcome to Business with Louis, the show where we dive into the world of entrepreneurship and explore the stories behind the most successful businesses. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most iconic financial institutions in the world, J.P. Morgan. As we explore the story of J.P. Morgan, you'll learn how this company has been a driving force in shaping the modern financial system. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a global powerhouse, J.P. Morgan's history is a fascinating tale of innovation, risk-taking, and leadership. So, let's start with the basics. What is J.P. Morgan? In straightforward terms, J.P. Morgan is a multinational bank and financial services company that provides a wide range of services, including investment banking, asset management, and retail banking. But J.P. Morgan is more than just a bank. It's a symbol of financial expertise, innovation, and leadership. To understand the significance of J.P. Morgan, let's take a brief look at its history. The company was founded in 1871 by John Pierpont Morgan, a financier and banker who played a key role in shaping the American economy during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Morgan's vision was to create a bank that would provide innovative financial solutions to corporations and governments, and his company quickly became known for its expertise in investment banking and corporate finance. One of the key principles that underlie J.P. Morgan's success is its commitment to innovation. Throughout its history, the company has been at the forefront of developing new financial instruments and technologies that have transformed the way businesses operate. For example, J.P. Morgan was one of the first banks to develop and trade derivatives, which are financial instruments that allow companies to manage risk and raise capital more efficiently. Another key principle that has contributed to J.P. Morgan's success is its focus on strategic risk management. The company has a long history of taking calculated risks and adapting to changing market conditions, which has allowed it to stay ahead of the competition and navigate complex financial landscapes. This approach has not only helped J.P. Morgan to grow and thrive, but also to weather economic storms and come out stronger on the other side. Let's take a look at some real-world examples that demonstrate J.P. Morgan in action. One notable example is the company's role in financing the construction of the Panama Canal. In the early 20th century, J.P. Morgan provided critical funding to the U.S. government to support the construction of the canal, which revolutionized global trade and commerce. This deal not only showcased J.P. Morgan's expertise in investment banking, but also its ability to think big and take bold risks. Another example is J.P. Morgan's involvement in the development of the modern credit card industry. In the 1950s and 1960s, the company worked with retailers and banks to develop the first credit cards, which transformed the way consumers shop and pay for goods and services. This innovation not only created new opportunities for businesses, but also changed the way people live and work. So, what can we learn from J.P. Morgan's successes and challenges? For aspiring entrepreneurs and business students, here are a few practical takeaways. First, it's essential to develop a deep understanding of your target market and the needs of your client. Second, be prepared to innovate and adapt to changing circumstances, whether that's a shift in consumer behavior or a sudden change in market conditions. Finally, never underestimate the importance of strategic risk management and exceptional client service. In terms of practical applications, there are several tools and resources that can help you apply these insights to your own ventures or careers. For example, J.P. Morgan's own research and analysis on market trends and economic cycles can provide valuable insights for investors and business leaders. Additionally, the company's commitment to innovation and digital transformation can serve as a model for entrepreneurs looking to disrupt traditional industries. One of the most significant contributions of J.P. Morgan has been its role in shaping the modern financial system. The company has played a key part in developing new financial instruments, such as derivatives and credit default swaps, which have revolutionized the way companies manage risk and raise capital. However, this has also led to criticisms that the company has contributed to the complexity and instability of the financial system. In conclusion, JP Morgan is more than just a company. It's a symbol of financial expertise, innovation, and leadership. By understanding the core principles and theories that underlie its success, we can gain valuable insights into the world of finance and entrepreneurship. Remember, every great business starts with a deep understanding of its clients, a willingness to innovate, and a commitment to exceptional service. As I always say, the biggest risk is not taking any risk. JP Morgan's story is a testament to the power of innovation, adaptability, and strategic risk management. As you navigate your own entrepreneurial journey, remember to stay focused on your goals, be open to new ideas, and never stop learning. That's it for today's Business with Louis. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every great business starts with a single step. Take that step today, and who knows where it will lead you.